Hi, I'm Matt from P Power Productions. How you doing today? In my last video, I took out and I shot the Taurus TX22. Okay? And in that video, we showed some shooting, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about that day. You see here, stick my finger right through here. The groupings are great on this. And I didn't really expect them to be that great. I knew that this firearm was a pretty good firearm, and I knew that I had seen a lot of reviews and a lot of people said really good things about it. They make a lot of guns, a lot of handguns, a lot of rifles, and sometimes you end up getting one that just doesn't function like it should. Okay, we all have had lemons in the past. We've all had firearms that didn't work as we expected. Today we're going to talk about Taurus. Okay, so Taurus used to make revolvers, right? Back in the day, they made a lot of revolvers. I do have a quick review of this firearm, if you want to go back and check it out. If you think about this pistol right here and how far Taurus has come from making revolvers and then going to different firearms, and their reputation wasn't all that great. I had bought a few Tauruses back in the day, and the first Taurus that I ever bought was a Millennium, and then the second one was the PT-809 subcompact, and I loved that handgun. And now they have, made a new version of that. I would highly recommend, buying this handgun. I bought this handgun for $260. I think it was $250 or something, $263. And then with tax and everything, it was $270 out the door, basically. And this thing was fun, man. It was fun, and it shot very accurate. And I like the sights. This has a adjustable rear and fixed front sight. And the takedown is real easy. It takes down like a Glock or pretty much all the other polymer frame pistols out there. If you're looking for a good, decent 22 pistol out there, I would go with this. It is a good buy. It's a good deal, and it shoots really accurately. And I really like the fact that you can adjust your sights here. If you like what I do here, please comment and please share, like, and subscribe. My voice is dying. I don't know if it's from the smoke or what, but so I'm going to get off here, but you know how it goes. As always, P Power, we love you. Hi, I'm Matt from P Power Productions, and I'd just like to say thank you for subscribing, and thank you to all the people that watch my videos. I really appreciate you, and I'm glad that you find my videos entertaining and maybe helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please get the word out. I'm trying to build my channel, and I would really appreciate if you do. Thank you so much. P Power, we love you.